You may have seen my post about this, either on the community tab of the channel or through the channel Discord, but Microsoft did something that borked my editing software, and now I can't make shorts. And I know this error is on the Microsoft side of things, because I checked the help forums, and starting a couple days ago, and becoming more and more frequent, probably as an update rolled out, a lot of people are complaining about the same issue all of a sudden, so yeah, they messed something up when they updated something. And so now, whenever I or anyone else tries to edit a video in the vertical format, it gets smushed and stretched into a horizontal format, distorting everything. So, until this gets patched, or I find a different editing program, whichever comes first, I can't make shorts. But it doesn't seem to be affecting horizontal footage, so at the very least I can keep making long-form videos like this. Now then, on a somewhat happier note, as you might have guessed from the title of this video, I've been playing Jak X Combat Racing recently. It's the only game in the Jak and Daxter series I haven't actually beat yet. Currently, I am on the last race of the Blue Eco circuit. I've been really enjoying it so far. I always liked the racing missions in the mainline Jak games, and this feels like an even better and smoother version of that, so it's been fun. It may honestly seem weird to call a port of a PS2 game smooth, but I jive with the controls of Jak X a lot more than I do a lot of more modern racing games that I've tried. Something about power sliding through a tight turn and then hitting the boost to go from 6th place to 1st in one move. Plus, I find the whole concept of combat or death races awesome. In the context of fictional settings, of course. Especially if you combine it with wacky over-the-top sci-fi cars, which is probably why I also really liked the anime Redline. But yeah, I've been playing a lot of Jak X, so I figured I'd make some kind of, Jak X flavored combat racer car. I also deliberately kept it relatively low poly because I wanted to have that feel of it being in an older video game world. At least a little bit. Congratulations, Racer! You've just won a brand new vehicle.